most drivers think oil changes are simple. Drain, fill, done. But the truth is, the way you change your oil can decide whether your engine dies at 120,000 miles or keeps running smooth past 3. In my shop, I've seen cars people thought were finished still purring like new. Not because of luck, but because of a few hidden tricks most drivers never hear about. These steps don't need special tools or costly parts, yet they protect your oil, prevent hidden wear, and save thousands in repairs. Today, I'll reveal 7 secret oil change tricks, plus 3 bonus mistakes to avoid that can make your engine run like new again. And trust me, secret number 1 is the step even most pros forget. If saving money on car repairs sounds good, hit subscribe and let's get started. Secret number 7. Warm up engine before draining. Most people rush into an oil change by pulling the plug cold, but that's a rookie mistake. When the engine is cold, the oil is thick like syrup. It clings to sludge, metal shavings, and carbon deposits stuck inside. But run the engine for 5-10 minutes, and everything changes. That oil thins, flows faster, and carries out hidden grime when you drain it. In my shop, I've seen cars where a warm drain made the oil pour out like dirty coffee, flushing out the junk that would have stayed behind in a cold drain. This one small habit means your fresh oil stays cleaner longer, and your engine runs smoother between changes. And if you really want to keep that oil cleaner inside your engine, there's another trick mechanics use before every few changes, and it's almost like giving your engine a detox. Secret number 6. Inspect and replace the drain plug washer. Most drivers never notice that tiny washer on the drain plug, yet it plays a massive role in keeping oil clean and leaks away. Over time, that washer gets crushed flat or hardened, leaving just enough gap for micro-leaks. Oil seeping out not only stains your driveway but also lowers your oil level without you realizing. I had a Civic come in with oil stains everywhere. The owner thought the pan was cracked, but it was just the old washer. For pennies, we replaced it, and the leaks vanished. Always keep a fresh washer handy when doing an oil change. That small piece of metal or rubber is your first line of defense against slow oil loss and dirty buildup around the plug. Now, changing the oil itself is one thing, but if you leave one part behind, you undo the whole job, and that's where the next secret comes in. Secret number 5. Replace the oil filter every time. Skipping the filter change is like washing your hands and then drying them on a filthy rag. That filter traps all the burnt carbon shavings and sludge that your engine sheds as it runs. Leave it in and your new oil immediately gets contaminated. I once saw a customer pour in fresh synthetic oil, but within a week it looked black because the dirty filter dumped everything back into circulation. Older engines especially can't afford that. A fresh, high-quality oil filter isn't optional, it's essential. Not only does it protect your engine, but it also allows your oil to last longer and do its job properly. Think of the filter as the gatekeeper between your engine and damage. But even with a new filter, how you install it can change everything. And that's the next trick most people never think about. Secret number 4. Prime the new oil filter. Every time you start your car after an oil change, there's a moment where the engine is running dry, waiting for oil pressure to build. That's where priming comes, by filling the new filter halfway with oil before installing it. You cut down those dry seconds dramatically. In my shop, I've seen the difference. Engines without primed filters rattle for a second or two after startup, while primed ones fire up silky smooth. It's like giving your engine a head start on protection. Now, not every filter design allows it, but when it does, this habit adds years to your bearings, cams, and lifters. Those few seconds of lubrication matter more than most people realize. And of course, even if your filter is ready, the oil you choose to pour in next can make or break an aging engine. Quick pause. If saving thousands on repairs sounds good, hit subscribe now. Let's get to the next secret. Secret number 3. Use the right oil type. Not all oil is created equal, and not all engines need the same thing. Using the wrong oil is like running a marathon in shoes that don't fit. Your owner's manual gives a baseline, say 5W30 or 10W40. But as engines age, adjustments are often necessary. A high-mileage engine that burns oil might benefit from a slightly thicker viscosity. On the other hand, if you're in a cold climate, A lighter oil helps during startup. I had a Camry come in with low oil pressure warnings at idle. Switching to a thicker oil cured the issue instantly, and the car kept running strong. Mechanics don't just pour oil, they listen to the engine and adjust accordingly. Matching oil to the engine's real condition is what keeps it running like new. But even with the right oil, there's another small part that silently controls how clean that oil stays. Secret number 2. Inspect the PCV valve. Most drivers have never even heard of the PCV valve. Yet it's a silent killer of engines. This tiny valve controls crankcase ventilation, allowing harmful gases to escape. When it clogs, pressure builds up, forcing sludge and moisture into your oil. Suddenly, your clean oil turns into a toxic soup that wears down your engine faster. I once pulled a PCV valve on a Corolla that was stuck shut. The oil looked like chocolate milk from all the contamination. Replacing it took 2 minutes and less than $10, but it probably saved the engine. During every oil change, take a few seconds to check it. If it's clogged, replace it. That little part can double the life of your oil. And once you've cleared out the weak links, the real game changer comes down to the very oil you choose to buy. Secret number 1. Always use quality oil. This is the cornerstone of everything. Cheap oils might save you a few bucks at the counter, but they break down under heat, lose viscosity, and leave sludge behind. Over time, that sludge destroys seals and bearings. Premium oils like Mobil 1, Castrol GTX High Mileage, or Valvoline Max Life are engineered with additives that protect older engines, resist heat breakdown, and reduce leaks. In my shop, I've seen 2 identical engines, one running bargain bin oil, the other on premium. By 150,000 miles, the cheap oil engine was smoking and leaking, while the premium oil engine still purred. For old engines especially, quality oil isn't a luxury, it's survival. It keeps your car running smoother, quieter, and stronger for years to come. But even if you've done everything right, the job isn't done yet, because what you do immediately after an oil change can still ruin it all. Bonus section: 3 mistakes people make right after an oil change. Changing oil is one thing, but what you do immediately afterward can undo all your hard work. The first mistake: over-tightening the drain plug. I've seen pans cracked and threads stripped because drivers thought tighter is better. In reality, a snug torque with a fresh washer is all you need. Second mistake: mixing different oil. Pouring in random leftovers from old bottles might seem harmless, but incompatible additives can break each other down, leaving sludge behind. And the third mistake is ignoring the oil pressure light after the change. If it stays on more than a few seconds, it could mean a filter issue or low oil, and driving like that destroys bearings fast. Avoid these 3 blunders, and you'll lock in the benefits of a proper oil change. And now that you've learned the do's and don'ts, let's wrap this up with the biggest takeaway you should remember. Put them together, and you're not just doing a routine oil change, you're protecting your engine's future. These simple habits keep your oil cleaner, reduce wear, and help your car run smoother, quieter, and stronger for years to come. I've seen engines well past 250,000 miles, still running like new, because the owners stuck to habits like these. The best part: none of these tricks cost much, but skipping them can cost thousands in repairs. Don't wait until your engine is knocking, smoking, or leaking. Start using these tips on your very next oil change, and you'll give your car the treatment it truly deserves. And if saving money on repairs and keeping your car on the road longer sounds good, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now.